Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix Android cannot remove or uninstall an apps on the home screen. So if you want to remove or uninstall a certain app but the your phone will not allow it because the apps is actually have permissions to the device admin apps, so you just need to remove that apps from the admin apps. First, you can go to the settings in here, and then on the search column you can find admin. Just type in admin here, and there will be this device admin app, so you can just tap on that. You can see there is one active app, so you need to just unenable or disable this option first, and then you can deactivate the device admin app first, and then you can try again to remove or uninstall that app. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.